Deng, Korver, and Boozer. Luol Deng on a handoff back to C.J. Watson. Watson attacking. Did it leave in time? They're saying that it goes. They're going to review it, though. The Bulls are acting as if it went. They're going to review it. It's going to be reviewed. Here comes Scott Foster over to review it. If it's good, the Bulls win. 102-101. Tremendous pressure on the ball. Luol Deng.
Oh, Matt, that was close right there, but it looks like that ball was just out of his hands, barely out of his hands before the lights came on. We're going to take a look one more time. Catches it right now. Let's see if it leaves his hands before that light goes on. And there it is. It's out of his hands now, and the light goes on. Boy, it's close.
And they're going to count it. What a hard-fought battle.